here I come.
It's all going off without enough. It keeps leaving me needing you. Take me away, take me away. I've got nothing left to say. Just take me away. I can't remember what I was about to say. Do you really want to hurt me? Do you really want to make me cry? Precious kisses, words that burn me.
But you got to have friends. The feelings are so strong. You got to have friends to make that day last long. I had some friends, but they're gone. Something came and took them away, and from the dusk till the
Can't take away those times we stayed up and we talked all night. Chain smoking cigarettes and 3 bottles of red wine. Falling asleep together, holding your body close to mine. Weren't we able to see the signs that we missed and try to turn the tables? I wish you'd unclench your fists and unpack your suitcase. Lately there's been too much of this, but don't think it's too late. Nothing's wrong, just as long as you know that someday I will.
Honestly, what would become of me? I don't like reality. It's way too clear to me, but really, life is daily. We are what we don't see. We miss everything, daydreaming. Flames to dust, lovers to friends. Why do all good things come to an end?
I do believe that it's not over tonight. Just give me one more chance to make it right. I may not make it through the night. I won't go home without you. Make up in the mirror, tell yourself it's never gonna happen again. You cry alone and then it's swearing lost you. Do you feel like a man when you push her around? Do you feel better now? She falls to the ground.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty. Trying to catch me riding dirty. Trying to catch me riding.